Hello, you understand, innit? You love my music. I know you only come out when I have my music on, but I know you want some cat food. Tiggy, sun's in your eyes, innit? Oh, daughters, Tiggy. Hello. Beautiful you are. You're lovely fur. Anyway, I'm in the nature reserve now. Got some music on. Hope I can play it because whenever I used to have a YouTube account, I used to get clocked by YouTube, and then she used to say I'm in breach of copyright. Anyway, come on everyone, dance. I'll see what it looks like. Where's Tiggy gone? Tiggy! Tiggy! I gotta go! Tiggy! Tiggy! Oi!